We are going to see NGTemplate, NGContainer, and NGTemplate in this video. In the NGTemplate, you have three things. One is NG for, another one is NGIF, and NG switch. So we have to use these three inside this NGTemplate. Okay, so NGIF, NG for, and NG switch are directives that we know that, right? Structural directives. These structural directives will be used inside this NGTemplate to list, add or remove elements based on the conditions. So in the ng template we are using NGE to check conditions, and NGE else is there, and we have ng for ng switch which will be used in this ng template. The main advantage of this one is avoid div tag, and we can put ng template so that we can know the functionalities very clearly, and it will give you a better understanding for us. That's the main message, and it can be used as a template in any template file in Angular. It is same as the previous one, but I have added one div ngif and another one is for ng for. So in these cases, we used the ng template for the div star ngif. So then it will give an good idea for that. And for the div class equal to lesson also, instead of div you can use the ng template. It cut off the extra div and give a meaningful name to that. That's the main usage of this one. So NGContainer is same as NGTemplate, but NGTemplate you have give some certain block inside this, only one or two elements inside this, but in an NGContainer we can give multiple statements inside that one. Everything will be put in a container so that it will give a meaningful identity to the components template. Instead of div only, we are using NGContainer, NGTemplate and all, but give a meaningful idea. I have listed some ideas for NGContainer, NGTemplate, and NGTemplate outlet. So NGTemplate outlet is a dynamic template creation. We use ng, ng for, and ng switch inside all these things: NGContainer, NGTemplate and all. The NGTemplate outlet will be used along with NGContainer, but NGTemplate is not like that. We can use it separately. Same thing is repeated here. Just go through this. I have given some examples. So see this one. What if ng should be put without the paragraph that is given here? It will give a meaningful idea. You can see this one here. The first one is the with the template. The second one is without the template. The template is giving meaningful. That's what I am coming to say here. Same for NGContainer, and the NGTemplate outlet is for dynamic allocations creations, which will be used along with NGContainer. Thanks team, thanks for the support.